Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on Netflix. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Netflix app. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. You will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again on Netflix. On your phone. So please don't forget to put